Has it ever happened to you that you're doing something which you love the most, and there are some people who come up to you and they tell you that don't do this or don't do that, do this way or do that way, and at the end of the day, you actually listen to them and you try to execute things according to their way. And after some days, these people only come to you and they tell you that, oh, you didn't even took your own stand, you got easily manipulated, and that stuff. Do you know what it means? It means that you have a very, very, very low self esteem. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope all of you are doing great. Everyone is fine out there, and I'm sorry, okay, guys. I'm really sorry because I know that it's been a long time since I have not uploaded videos, and I'm so sorry for that. क्योंकि जब भी मैं वीडियोस अपलोड नहीं करती हूँ ना, इवन आई फील वेरी बैड. बट अब वो रीजंस नहीं बताऊंगी मैं कि क्यों मैंने नहीं किया, क्योंकि एट द एंड ऑफ द डे वो रीजंस ही रहेंगे. एंड द मेन थिंग इज़ कि मैंने अपलोड नहीं किया, मैं कंसिस्टेंट नहीं थी, एंड फॉर दैट आई एम रियली सॉरी. आई होप दैट मैं फिर से ऐसे नहीं करूँगी. I'll be more consistent with my videos. So we'll keep all of these things aside, and today's video is a really, really, really important video, and I hope that everyone will enjoy it, everyone will like it, and you will learn a lot from this video. So I hope that you will enjoy. So by now you might have already guessed that what is this video going to be about. But for that, like before moving into it, firstly I want you all to know that what does self-esteem actually means. So self-esteem is nothing but to have an accurate and unbalanced self-view about ourselves. And the people with high self-esteem actually recognizes their abilities and their strengths in themselves. And not only this, the most important thing which they do is to accept their flaws and their weaknesses in themselves. Like, do you understand like how important it is? And we don't do it. We don't accept our flaws or we don't accept our weaknesses. So that indicates the lower self-esteem in ourselves. Okay, so if you want to become the person which I have told about, if you have to build that high self-esteem in yourself, then this video is going to help you a lot. Because okay, so I hope that you'll enjoy. The one thing which I want all of you to do is to just look at the mirror, look at yourself, and just tell me one thing. What do you feel after you look at yourself in the mirror? What do you feel? Do you feel positive, like you feel confident, you feel amazing, you feel good, or do you feel negative, like you feel very underconfident, you feel ugly by looking at yourself in the mirror and that stuff? Tell me, what do you feel? And when we talk about this, I understand that हम हमेशा ही पॉजिटिव फील नहीं कर सकते या हम हमेशा ही नेगेटिव फील नहीं कर सकते, राइट? There would be times we'll feel positive, there would be times we'll feel negative. It's fine. When we talk about positive feeling, like उसका हम उसे इतना ये नहीं करते क्योंकि उसका ऐसे किसी चीज़ पे इम्पैक्ट नहीं हो जाए. But when we talk about negative, nothing is good because it has a highly and a huge impact on our confidence and other things in our life. एंड ये शॉर्ट रन में इतना इम्पैक्टफुल नहीं लगता है, बट व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट लॉन्ग रन इट्स हाईली इम्पैक्टफुल. एंड ऐसे हो जाता है कि वो एक विजन बन जाता है, एक व्यू बन जाता है हमारे लिए. अगर हम हमेशा मिरर को देखते ही अगर हम नेगेटिव फील करेंगे, देन क्या प्रोडक्टिवनेस रहेगा या क्या चीज़ें कर पाएंगे? व्हाट सक्सेस वी आर गोना अचीव if we are not feeling confident or we are not feeling positive after looking ourselves at the mirror? We don't have that healthy self view in our mind, and it becomes highly important because ये हमारा सक्सेस और फेलियर तो डिफाइन करता ही है, बट ये हमें डिफाइन करता है. ये जो फीलिंग होती है हमें डिफाइन करती है समवेयर. And you know, always remember one thing: whatever we think about ourselves, ultimately we feel that about us. We feel that about ourselves. That is why it's very important. And to have that healthy self view, we are going to learn 2 to 3 things which, according to me, are very important to build that high self esteem in yourself. See, what happens is that हमारे में बहुत क्वालिटीज होते हैं, लाइक सब में बहुत अच्छे क्वालिटीज होते हैं, सब में होते हैं, बट वी एक्सेप्ट दैट क्वालिटीज बहुत अच्छे से, हम उसे एक्सेप्ट करते हैं, सब अच्छे से होता है, एवरीथिंग इज गुड, बट when it comes to our flaws or when it comes to our weaknesses or when it comes to those things जिसमें हम अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट होते हैं, जो चीज़ें हमें लगती है इतनी इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है, या जो चीज़ें हमें ऐसे लगती है कि नो, आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू इग्नोर इट, आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू हाइड इट इन मी, लाइक वो चीज़ों को मुझे अपने अंदर छुपाना है, वो जो चीज़ें होते हैं उसमें एक्सेप्टेंस नहीं आता है, दैट लीड्स टू लोअर सेल्फ एस्टीम, क्योंकि हमारे अंदर हमारे चीज़ों के लिए एक्सेप्टेंस नहीं है. दैट्स द की हियर. You should have that acceptance for your flaws and for your weaknesses too. See, what happens कि ना जब कोई फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर आप जा रहे हो एंड आपको कोई बोलता है कि आप कितने मोटे हो, you see, look at your pimples on your face, you are looking very ugly. When someone tells you this, and हमेशा ऐसे होता है कि we try to change it, like फिर हम जिम ज्वाइन कर लेते हैं या हम डर्मैट के पास जाते हैं, things like that. And I don't have a problem with any one of those. The only problem here which I have is that just because हमें कोई और बोल रहा है वो चीज़ को चेंज करने के लिए, we are doing that. It's not coming from us. वो हमारे से चीज़ नहीं आ रही है कि हमें वो चीज़ चेंज करनी है. What यहाँ पे सही बात क्या होगी पता है कि I have, see, look at my face. I have so many pimples on my face, but I never defined as like this is the only thing in me. No, I never feel that way. मुझे बहुत लोग बोलते हैं, but I don't care. I own up to it. It's natural. It's मतलब ये चीज़ें मेरे कॉन्फिडेंस को कभी इम्पैक्ट नहीं करती है, कभी नहीं. You know why? Yes, I go to dermat. Okay, I'll just give you my example only. I go to dermat. I have my dermat where I take treatment. But it's because I want it. Because I know that how painful I have, like how much pain I have behind these pimples, right? I want it. I want to have that clear skin. And I don't have pimples since 1 or 2 years. I have pimples since 6 to 7 years, I guess now. बट इट नेवर लेड टू माई कॉन्फिडेंस. यार मैंने कभी खुद के कॉन्फिडेंस को उसको हावी नहीं होने दिया. दैट्स समथिंग. इफ यू वांट इट, इफ यू वांट टू चेंज इट, if you believe that doing this will increase my confidence or will boost my confidence, yes, I want to lose my weight, I'll go to the gym. I will go to the gym, not because someone is telling you to change it. क्यों दूसरों को वैलिडेशन के पीछे भाग रहे हो? No, there is no need. So don't do these things. And always remember, guys, it's very important to show compassion to ourselves first. I have noticed this thing कि हम ना बहुत लोगों के लिए compassion दिखाते हैं, kindness दिखाते हैं, but when it comes to us, what happened? No compassion, no kindness to ourselves. We are not taking care of ourselves. We are not taking care of ourselves. We are not taking care of our heart, our health, our mind, our brain. Nothing. Why? वो kindness जब खुद के बारे में आती है वो तब कहाँ जाती है? Don't do it, guys. It's very bad thing to do. You should take care of yourself first and then keep others. क्योंकि आप खुद को ध्यान नहीं रखोगे, खुद का ध्यान नहीं रखोगे, खुद के ऊपर वो kindness नहीं दिखाओगे, what is the point? आपके सक्सेस में कोई और थोड़ी आने वाला है, आप खुद करने वाले हो ना. सो दूसरों में क्या दिया है? फोकस ऑन योरसेल्फ, टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ फर्स्ट. Another most common thing which I have noticed which leads to a lower self-esteem is that, okay, so I'll just explain you with an example. Okay, so there is a startup and for that there is a product launch and we have done each and everything for that. Like we have prepared for it since 1.5 years. We have done a lot of research about it and each and everything we have done correctly, like very properly. And as usual, there are people who come up and just poke you and just tell you, give their opinions. So there are people who come up to you and they just tell you that, oh, this product is not worthy, it's not going to go well, or just try this one out, do this strategy, do that strategy. And that stuff, you know what people say. Okay, so and at the end of the day you get influence, and आप फिर ट्राई करते हो कि वो आपको बोल रहे हैं, जो वो आपको स्ट्रैटेजीज दे रहे हैं, आप उनमें बिलीव करते हो और वो इम्प्लीमेंट करते हो. You know what happened here? Do you know what happened here? You literally wasted that 1.5 year of yours of full of dedication, full of determination, full of efforts. Each and everything you just wasted. You just wasted like this. Why? You know why? Because you didn't show that trust and believe on that product. आपने वो trust और believe बताया ही नहीं. क्या फायदा फिर? If you are not believing the things which you are doing, if you do not have that trust on that product or that things which you are doing, what's the point? You're getting easily influenced, you're easily getting manipulated. What's the point in this? I don't think. And there is nothing worse than this. There is nothing worse than this. अरे ठीक है यार, अगर वो प्रोडक्ट अगर फेल भी हो जाता है, इट्स फाइन. आप उसमें से कुछ सीख तो लोगे. देयर विल बी समथिंग व्हिच यू विल लर्न फ्रॉम इट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे. आर यू गेटिंग मी? उसमें से आप कुछ सीख के फिर नेक्स्ट टाइम वो गलती नहीं रिपीट करोगे. दैट्स बेटर rather than this. And what if you have listened to their advice, you have even implemented that advice, and then you fail? What will happen? Do you know what will happen? You will go in such a phase of regretness ना, आप सोच भी नहीं सकते हो आप कितना regret करोगे. Because at that time you will regret that no, I would have stick to my plan, I would have stick to my product and would have implemented it. That would be the worst regret. And here, here it is where you have a very low self-esteem because you're not showing that trust and believe in yourself, which you need to show on these times. जहाँ पे लोग आते हैं और आपको मैनिपुलेट करते हैं, यही तो टाइम होता है जहाँ पे आपको ट्रस्ट दिखाना पड़ता है. और क्या टाइम होगा आपको ट्रस्ट दिखाने के लिए? यही तो होता है जहाँ पे आपको प्रूव करना रहता है. एंड जो आप रिग्रेट करोगे वो तो बहुत ही अलग करोगे. दैट्स तो अनदर लेवल. बिकॉज इवन अब अगर आप फेल भी हो जाते हो तो आप उसमें से सीख के कुछ कर लोगे. रिग्रेट से क्या होगा? रिग्रेट तो इज द वर्स्ट थिंग. नो वन शुड हैव रिग्रेट्स इन देयर लाइफ. So that is it, guys. Have trust and believe in the things which you are doing. It's very important because at the end of the day, if you, at these times where people manipulate you or do this stuff, at these times when you show that trust and believe on your thing, na, that's something where high self-esteem comes up. ऐसी वो build होता है, नहीं तो नहीं होगा. So these are the most important things which everyone should do to have that high self-esteem in yourself. That was it for this video, you guys. I hope that you will like this video. You will learn a lot from this video. And guys, please do implement the things which I have talked about in this video, because why not? This is the only one life which we are going to live, right? So live it till your fullest and live it the best as you can. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video, guys. Till then, bye-bye.